Hey, this is Reese with Health That Cares. I just wanted to make this quick video, explain a few things you're probably going to run into now that it is open enrollment and the entire country is reevaluating their health coverage situation. Of course, if you aren't already aware, there are mainly PPOs and HMO networks. Of course, there's some other ones as well, but we won't get into those today. You can always give me a call at 813-734-3206, and I'd be happy to explain those to you as well. For today, we're going to focus on those main ones, the HMOs and the PPOs. So on an HMO network, you need to get a referral from your primary care physician prior to seeing a specialist. And on a PPO network, the main difference there, you'll be able to go directly to your specialist without that referral from your primary. Now, there's a lot of other differences too. On a PPO, you'll have out-of-network benefits. On a HMO, you don't always have out-of-network benefits. So if you do have specific questions, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is Reese with Health That Cares at 813-734-3206. I look forward to speaking with you, and make sure you're staying positive and testing negative. Have a wonderful day.